Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also super duper good. So, welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be working more on the spreadsheet. We will learn that what are the cells. We will revise what we have learned so far. What are the cell? What is a spreadsheet? How can we name a cell, right? How we can write different values in a spreadsheet, and then we will make a table on that as well, right? So, before moving toward that, let's quickly revise. Who is going to tell me what is a spreadsheet or what is an Excel sheet? Yes. Okay, on which we note down values, right? What else an Excel sheet can do for us? Very good. It can do all types of mathematical work for us. It can add things, it can subtract, multiplication, or what type of formula you want to create, you can create on that, right? Okay. Beside that, tell me that can we make tables on that? Yes, we can. Very good. Is there any limit that you can just add these much values and after that you cannot? No, there is no limit, right? Okay. Can we save our work for later use? Yes, we can do that as well, right? Okay, great. So I'm going to share the screen with you. We will together learn the procedure, the whole procedure, how to do that. So the very first step is that over here in the search area, in the search bar, you will write Excel, Excel, right? So this list will open in front of you. From there, on the top, you will click on the app, which is the best match, right? When you will click on this screen will open, the next screen will open in front of you. Now over here, there is a list of the previous one which I have saved, right? And from here I can open a new one, which is a blank workbook as well, right? So here I'm opening a new one. Now this new one has opened in front of me. What we have learned so far was that these are called as cells, right? Initially, now they don't have any name, but how do we know them as? This is C5, because from there it is in fifth row and C column. So this is C5. Similarly, if we talk about this one, this is 8D, right? This is A1. This is A4. So we have right now they do not have any specific name, but we can give name to them. We can give labels to them, right? So in order to do that, what is the purpose? What is the procedure that you will just click on this cell, right? Double click and this cursor will appear. Now you can write whatever you want to. Okay, in today's class, let's say make a list of your books. Okay, books names, and over here we will write their number and how many number of books do we have, right? Okay, now the first name, let's say I write literacy, and suppose that you have 2 books of literacy, right? So over here, I'm writing the name of the book, and over here, I'm writing the number, that how many books do you have. The next is numeracy. So we have only 1 book of numeracy. Okay, we will write the numbers afterward. Let's first make a list of books. Then we have social studies. The next we have computing. The next we have science, Urdu, and Islamic studies, right? Are we done? Okay, great. Now let's write the number. How many numeracy book do you have? 1. How many social studies? 1. How many computing? 1. What about science? 1. What about Urdu? 2. Okay. What about Islamic studies? 1. Now see, oh, I have made a list of this. Now the next step that I want is, I want the computer to add these numbers for me and tell me that how many books do I have in total, right? So in order to do that, what I will do, all the cells in which numbers have been written, I will select all of them, right? So right now, and how I have selected, you can press control and then you can drag this. Yes. Now I will go over here and I'll click on sum. In the very next column, the very next cell, they have added all this and they have tell me that these are total 8. Now, when I'm clicking on 8, can you see over here in this? This is the formula bar. This is telling you that what is the formula that we have applied. So it says that this is the answer of sum of these cells from B2 till B8, and then we get this answer. So if you want to recheck that whether you have done the work properly or not, you can go and check in the formula bar and you will get your answer. Got it? Is it interesting? Wonderful. Okay. Now, what is your class assignment? Like I have made a list of the books. You can make a list of anything, whatever you want to. So just open the Excel sheet, follow the same procedure, and then make a list of it of something. You can make a list of books. You can make a list of the marks you have obtained in your midterm, right? You can make a list of toys you have. You can make a list of food that you want to eat in a a week or whatsoever, but do make a list and then put a sum formula on it. Hurry up. Yes, all of you are done. Any confusion? Okay, great. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.